We'll guide you through how to use the Wix QR Code Generator. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing and SEO. Next, you'll see a section labeled QR Code Generator. Click on that to open the tool. Now, you'll be able to generate a QR code for any page or URL you'd like to share. Simply enter the URL in the provided field. If you want to create a QR code for a specific page on your Wix site, click on Pages and choose the page you want to link to. After entering the URL or selecting the page, you can customize the appearance of your QR code. You can change the color to match your brand or add a logo for a more personalized touch. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Generate to create your QR code. The tool will create a downloadable image file of your QR code, which you can use in your marketing materials, print on business cards, or share digitally. To download, simply click the Download button and save the QR code to your computer. This makes it easy for your audience to scan and access your content quickly. Remember, if you ever need to update the URL, you'll need to generate a new QR code. It's a simple and effective way to connect with your customers and drive traffic to your site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.